Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for Class 2. And your today's topic is a cucumber with leaves without color. Without color means not to do color. And this one is your HW also. HW number 2. Everyone must watch your YouTube class very carefully for your HW. Every class has not HW, but everyone submit a lot of HW. I don't know why. You just practice at your home. So dear student, look at the board. I will show you how to draw a cucumber. It's so much easy. Just give a curved line and turn just like this. Okay, and join here. After that, give the stem of cucumber and give this line and draw leaves. And give the vein and sub-vein. If you want, you can use another leaves like this. And erase these lines. Okay, and give this L4. Looking better, you can use here a flower also. Draw another flower like this. Okay. And give yourself a line like this in the tiny circle. So this one is your HW also. So practice at your home. I submit this HW every Saturday at your school. Okay, practice more makes your drawing perfect. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.